Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi the Math Tutor. I will now explain the problems on reducing equations to simpler form. Here we can see example 17th question, x by 2 minus 1 by 4 which is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Here we have x by 2 term for the right side, so you should transfer to the left side, and minus 1 by 3 you should transport to the right side. So the next step will become x by 2 minus x by 3, we are transposing to the left side, it will become minus x by 3, and right side we have already 1 by 2 and we need to transfer this minus 1 by 4 to the right side, it will become 1 by 4. Now do the LCM of, now these x by 2 and x by 3 are unlike fractions, so to convert the unlike to like fractions we need to do the LCM. So LCM of 2 and 3 we are getting 6. Then now convert the unlike fractions to like fractions. Now 2 times 3 the 6 you will get. So numerator also multiply with 3, that is 3 times x, that is 3x minus. So in the next denominator we have 3, so convert to the 6. So 3 times to the 6, so numerator shall multiply with 2, that is 2 times of x. And right side we have 2 and 4. Now do the LCM of 2 and 4, you will get 4 only. So 2 1 the 2 2 the, again do the LCM with 2 table, 2 1 the 1 the. So LCM we will get 2 times 2 the 4. So LCM of 1 2 and 4 is 4. Now again convert this is unlike fractions to like fractions. So 2 times 2 the 4 you will get. So 1 times 2 the 2 you will get, plus 4 times 1 the 1 times 1 the, that is 1. Then next 3x minus 2x we have, that is 1x only will come, that is 1x by 6 which is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 by 4. Now we need x value, so transfer this 6 to the right side, so it is in the division, so it will become multiplication. So 3 by 4 it will become multiplication, that is into 6. Now 2 times 2 the 2 times 3 the you will get, that is equal to 3 into 3 by 2 which is equal to 9 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 9 by 2 is the solution of the given equation. So next example 18th question, solve x minus 4 by 7 which is minus x plus 4 by 5 which is equal to x minus 6. So left side we have unlike fractions, so simplify these two. So do the LCM of 7 and 5, then we will get LCM of 7 and 5, you will get 35. 7 times 5 is 35. And so again you should convert the unlike fractions to like fractions, so we need to multiply with 5. So both x minus 4 we should multiply with 5. So then you will get 5 times of x minus 4 minus, and here we have already 5, so convert the 5 to 35. So 5 we need to multiply with 7. So 5 times 7 is 35. Therefore x minus x plus 4 also multiply with 7. Then you will get 7 times of x plus 4. It is the left side expression, and right side we have x plus 3 by 7. The next you should multiply 5 into x. We have 5x minus 5 times 4 that is 20. So minus 7 into x minus 7 times of x minus 7 into 4 that is 28. 7 times 4 is 28, plus into minus minus. And the denominator we have 35. And right side we have x plus 3 by 7. Now cancel 7 times 1 the 7 times 5 35. Now again simplify 5. Now you can simplify the x term. This is 5x, this is minus 7x, so you will get minus 2x. So minus 20 minus 28 you will get minus 48. Denominator we have 5, and right side we have x plus 3 by 1. Now take the cross product to get the x answer. So you should multiply 5 into x, 5 into x plus 3 which is equal to 1 into 1 into minus 2x minus 48. So 5 into x you will get 5x plus 5 times 3 is 15. So here we have, that is 5 into x 5x, 5 into 3 15. And the right side we have minus 1 into 2x, that is minus 2x minus 48. Now transfer the x term to the left side and a number term to the right side. So 5x plus 2x it will become, that is equal to minus 48 right side, and it will become plus 15, it will become minus 15. Now 5 plus 2, that is 7 times of x which is equal to minus 63 will come. So 7 times 1 the 7 times 9 the, then x is equal to minus 9 is the solution of the given equation. Here we can see example 19th question, solve 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3 which is equal to 12 by 7. So now to get the x value, you should multiply, you should take the cross product of the given equation. So directly you should take the cross product to the first one. So then you will get 7 times of 5x plus 2, which is equal to 12 into 2x plus 3. Now multiply each term of, so you can multiply 7 into 5, 72. That is 7 times 5 to 35x plus 7 times 2 the 14, which is equal to 12 into 2, that is 24x plus 12 times 3 is 36. Now transfer this 24x to the left side and plus 14 to the right side. So 35 times of x minus 24x, which is equal to 36 minus 14 will become. So 35 minus 24 will become 11x, which is equal to 22 is the answer. So 11 times 1 is 11 times 2 is, therefore x is equal to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Here we can see example 20 question, x plus 7 by 3x plus 16, which is equal to 4 by 7. Now take the cross product here also. You should multiply 7 with x plus 7, and right side we have 4 into 3x plus 16. Then 7 into x we have 7 times of x plus 7 times 7 that is 49 you will get, which is equal to 4 times 3 is 12x plus 4 times 16 that is 64 we have. Then next you need to transfer this plus 12 to the left side and plus 49 to the right side. So 7 times of x minus 12x we have. Then next we have 64. You should transfer this plus 49 to the right side, it will become minus 49. Now you can subtract that is 7 minus 12, that is minus 5x, which is equal to 64 minus 49 will become 50. Then x is equal to 15. So you can cancel it directly, that is 5 ones are 5 times 3 are. Then x is equal to minus x, which is equal to 3. Then we need x is equal to minus 3. We need to multiply with the minus here. Then you will get x is equal to minus 3 is the solution of the given equation. Here we can see example 21 question. Rehana got a 24% discount on her frock. She paid 380 she paid 380 rupees after discount. So find the market price of the frock. So market price means before the discount price. See, generally we are taking the percentages for 100 total. So she got the 24% discount. So we need to subtract the 24%. Then you will get 76. So she got the frock for 76%, and she paid 380 rupees. Now we are going to find the market price, means 100% we are going to find. So simply you should prepare the table like this percentage, and here you should take the cost. So she paid 76% cost, and which is equal to 380 rupees. Now we are going to find a market price, means that is 100% x. You should take what is the value for x. So she paid 76% cost, that is 380 for the cost of frock, and we are going to find a market price which is equal to 100%, that is x cost. X means we are going to find that x value. Now take the cross product. 7 into x, we have 7 times of x, which is equal to 100 into 300, sorry, 80. Then x we x 7 times of x, so you should transfer this x to the right side, will become division. So 100 into 380 by 7 times 76. So 76 one, sorry, 38 ones are, and 72 twos are, means 10s are, then 2 times ones are, 2 times 5s are, which is equal to 100 into 5 is equal to 500. So the market price of that frock is equal to 500 rupees. Hi viewers, welcome to Yogi, the math tutor. Now I'm explaining the problems from example 22nd. In previous video, I uploaded example 2017 to 21st. So 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of the number by 4. Find the number. So first you should take, so let number, first we need to define unknown number as x. Now 4/5 of a number means 4 by 5 of a number means x, that is 4/5 of a number is 4 by 5x, and greater than 3/4 of a number. 3/4 means 3 by 4. Half a number means x. So 3 by 4 of x number by 4, and we are going to find the number. So here, for example, 8 is greater than by 5. 8 is greater than 5 by 3, means what we will do, we need to separate 8 minus 5 to get the 3 answer. So in the same pattern, we need to do the same concept here to make an equation. 4 by 5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of a number by 4, means we need to separate 4 by 5 minus 3 by 4 of x, which is equal to 4. So now we got an equation. Now you can simplify this equation, that is 4x by 5 minus 3x by 4, which is equal to 4. Now take the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20, you will get. So after getting the LCM, we need to convert the denominator to the 420. 4 times 4 times 20. So numerator multiply with the 4, that is 4 times 4 is 16x minus, here denominator is 4, you should multiply with the 5 to get the 20. Then numerator multiply with the 5. 3 times 5 is 15x. And next we have 4 right side. So 15x minus 16x minus 1, 15x, which is equal to 1x by 20, which is equal to 4. Then if you take the send to the right side, it will become the division. Already 20 is in a division. If we are sending right side, it will become multiplication. Then x is equal to 4 times 20 is 80. So x is equal to 20 is an answer. Next question. John sold his watch for 301 rupees and lost 14% on it. Find the cost price of the watch. See here, he sold a watch for 301 rupee and lost of 14%. Just previous examples I told you. So percentage means you take 100% first. Then he lost the 14%. So should subtract the 14%, then you will get 86 answer. So he sold a watch for 86% and the cost is 301 rupee. So now you should make the table like this. So you should take the percentage, and the next one you should take the cost. So the percentage is they sold the watch for 86%, the cost is 301 rupee. Now we are going to find the cost price. So cost price always you should take it as a 100%. So 100% is equal to how much? Now you take the cross product to get the answer. So 86 into x, which is equal to 100 into 301 rupee. Then x is equal to 100 into 301 by 86. 2 times 2 is 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 15 is, then 43 ones are 43 sevens are. Then x is equal to 50 into 7, which is equal to 350 rupees. So the cost price of the watch is 350. Next example 24th question. A man had to walk a certain distance. He covered 2/3 of it at 4 km per hour and the remaining at 5 km per hour. If the total time taken is 42 minutes, find the total distance. So first you should take distance, you should take is equal to x. So now you should take the first case, you should do the x kilometer, and the given in this x kilometers, he covered 2/3 of it by 4 km per hour and the remaining distance at 5 km per hour, and they given total time. So first we should, here we have two cases. So this is a first case and this is second case. So in this first case distance we have, first we should take distance is equal to total distance is x kilometer. So now in this total distance he covered how much distance, that is 2/3 of distance, means 2 by 3rd of x kilometer. The next one is in the next case remaining distance at 5 km per hour. So remaining means you should find the total distance minus covered distance is 2 by 3 of x. So which is equal to, take the LCM, that is 3 times LCM you will get 3x minus 2x, that is equal to x by 3 kilometer. So out of total distance he covered 2 by 3 kilometer at 4 km per hour. This is 4 km per hour, and the next remaining distance means x by 3. This distance is covered by 5 km per hour. So next to first case speed is equal to 4 km per hour, and in the next case speed is equal to 5 km per hour. Then next we are going to calculate the time, that is equal to distance by speed, that is equal to 2 by 3 of x by 4. You should take the denominator, so 2 by 3 of x into 1 by 4, which is equal to 2x by 12. Then next case, time is equal to distance by speed. Nana, this is a remaining distance, so that is equal to x by 3 by 5. The next will become x by 3 into 5 by 1 will become 1 by 5, that is equal to x by 15 hours. So you should take time as an hours. Why? Because the speed is in a kilometer per hour. So now we got this is the first case time and this is the second case time. Now we are adding these two. Why? Because we need to add these two. Why? Because the given total time is equal to 42 minutes, Nana. So first case time we have 2x by 12 plus second case time we have x by 15 of 4 hours, and the total hours they given 45 minutes. Now you should convert these 45 minutes to hours, that will become 45 by 60 hours. Then this will become 2x by 12 plus x by 15 hours. Now do the LCM of 12 and 15. Then I'm doing LCM with 3 table, 3 times 4 is 3 times 5 is. Then next again 5. Then you should take the 2 table again, 2 2 is. Then again 2 table you should take 1 1 is. So LCM is equal to 3 times 5 is 15, 15 times to the 30, 30 times to the 60. So we got LCM as 60. So convert the denominator, so 12 5 is, then 2 5 is, that is 10x plus 15 times 4 is, then 4 times of x, 4x, which is equal to 45 by 60. Now cancel the 60, 60, then you will get 10 plus 4, that is will become 14x, which is equal to 42, not 45, by 42. Now you should then x is equal to 42 by 14, Hana. 14 ones are 14 threes are. Then x is equal to 3 kilometers. So what is total x? So that is total distance. So total distance which is equal to 3 kilometer. Next example 25th one. The numerator of a fraction is 6 less than the denominator. So first you should take the 6 denominator as an x. So the numerator will become x minus 6. If 3 is added to the numerator and the fraction is equal to 2 by 3, then find the original fraction. First you should take the denominator of the fraction, you should take it as x. So that is called x. Then numerator as you should take x minus 6. Why? Because the given numerator is of a fraction is 6 less than the denominator. So you should take x minus 6. And given that 3 is added to the numerator. So what will become now fraction? Fraction will become numerator by denominator, which is equal to x minus 6 by x. Now this is in a fraction. And given that if 3 is added to the numerator, so if the this is the numerator. So if 3 is added to the numerator and denominator we should write it as it is, then the new fraction will become 2 by 3. Now we got it, this is an equation. Now you could take the cross product, then you will get the x value. Then this is to take x minus 3 by x, which is equal to 2 by 3. Then you should take the cross product now. 3 of x minus 3, which is equal to 2x. 3 into x, that is 3x minus 9, which is equal to 2x. Now transfer this number term, left x term to the left side and number term to the right side. Then 3x minus 2x is equal to plus 9. Then x is equal to 9. Then x, what is an x? X is nothing but it is in a denominator of the fraction is 9. The numerator is equal to 9 by 6, that is equal to 3. Therefore, the fraction is equal to 3 by 9 is an answer. Next example 26. Shirisa has 9 rupees. She has 9 rupees now. In 9 rupees, 50 paisa coins are there and 25 paisa coins are there. She has twice as many 25 paisa coins as she has 50 paisa coins. So for example, 25 paisa coins have the double than the 50 paisa. How many coins of each kind does she has now? They're asking to find the how many 50 paisa coins are there with her and how many 25 paisa coins are there with her. Now you should take first we need to define 50 paisa coins as an x. Then 25 paisa coins will become number of 25 paisa will become 2 times of x by because they given double. So now you should take like 50 paisa coins is equal to x, then 25 paisa coins which is equal to 2x, they given double. And how to calculate the money, which to see here, value of this 50 paisa now. So value will become number of coins into 50 paisa, which is equal to 50 paisa of x. Now convert this 50 paisa to the rupees. So 50 paisa to the rupees, what will become now? 50 by 100 of x, that will become 1 za 2 za, that is 1 by 2 of x. So this is the value of the 50 paisa. The next to the value of 25 paisa, what will become? 2 times of x into 25 paisa. So you should take 2 times of x into 1, so 25 by 100 rupees. So 1 za 4 za. Then the next will become 2 1 za 2 2 za. Then will become x by 2. So the value of 25 paisa will become x by 2. Therefore, how to calculate the money now? Total value. So total value is 9 rupees we have. How to calculate the 9 rupees? Or add the 50 paisa coins value plus 25 paisa coins. So this is, we need to add. This is the value of 50 paisa coins and this is the value of 25 paisa coin. Then that will be equal to 9 rupees. Now you should take x by 2 plus x by 2, which is equal to 9. These all are like fractions, no need of LCM. Then you can direct add 2x by 2, which is equal to 9. Then next to 2 times of x is equal to 2 into 9. Then 2 times of x is equal to 18. Then 2 ones are 2 nines are. Then x is equal to 9. So what it is, x is equal to 9 means what we are taking as a x, so that is 50 paisa coins. Therefore 50 paisa coins is equal to 9 and 25 paisa coins is equal to 2x. 2 into 9 is equal to 19. So in this 9 rupees, so we have 50 paisa coins are 9 and 25 paisa coins are 18. Is an answer. Next example 27th question. It is a lost example. A man driving his moped at 24 km per hour reaches his destination 5 minutes late. So if he travels 24 km per hour, he will reach the destination 5 years late. If he had driven at 30 kilometers per hour, he would have reached his destination 4 minutes before time. How far is destination? So first you should take it as a destination. I mean the distance. You should take distance. You should take it as first that is x kilometer. Then next time taken to cover this distance x kilometer, which is at at 424 kilometer per hour. Then what is time? Now the time is equal to distance by speed, that is speed is equal to x by speed is equal to 24 kilometer per hour. So that the time is equal to x by 24 hours. The next case, if he time taken to cover x kilometer at 30 kilometer per hour, in the next case if he travel 30 kilometer per hour, the time will become now distance by say speed again, that x by 30 kilometer per hour. This is the two cases where we have, but it is given that the differences between these two times is 9 minutes. Therefore x minus x by 24 minus x by 30, which is equal to 9 minutes. So you should convert 9 minutes to hours. You should divide with the 9 by 60. Then why? Because these both are in hours. X by 24 minus x by 30. Now do the LCM of these two, 24 and 30. You will get as 120, which is equal to 9 by 60. Then you should multiply again. So 20 times 5 are, then numerator multiply with 5. 5 times of x, 5x minus 34 are, then 20 x 4 are, that is 4x. Now 0 0 you can cancel, 6 1s are, 6 2s are. Then 5x minus 4x is equal to x by 2, which is equal to 9. Then x is equal to, we should multiply 9 into 2, we have x is equal to 18. So what is the next is, that is total distance. Total distance is equal to 18 kilometers. Thank you for watching video.